Hello students, in this video we are going to learn swapping of two numbers. So write a program to input two numbers, that is A and B I am taking, and display the numbers after swapping them by using a third variable. So without using a third variable also we can do this program, but in this question they have mentioned using a third variable. So I am taking third variable as C, and let me create a class. I am going to give swap. So let me clear all these steps, or else let me edit this program up to here so that I need to type only those statements. So here I am going to give a class name display. Okay. So inside the main method, after scanner class statement, I am going to ask the user to enter two numbers. System.out.println. Enter the first number, you can store in a variable, and enter the second number, store it in B variable, or else in one step, in single step, you can give enter any two numbers so that you can reduce one printing statement here. And A equal to in dot next in. So here I am declaring the variable, and I'm declaring and storing B also. Now I need one more variable. Okay. So now I am going to start swapping. So what is the third step? First, transfer the value in A to the third variable. That means a temporary variable, so that A becomes empty, right? So I'm transferring A value into C. That means I'm storing A, I'm assigning into C. Okay. So that now your A value is free. So now I can transfer the value in B to A because A is empty now. So I'm transferring B to A. I transferred. Now B is empty, right? So that I can shift the value in C. That means I already shifted the value in A to C. So that value is stored in C variable. So I am transferring it into B variable. So these are the three steps for swapping two numbers using a third variable. Now you can print the values in A and B. I can give A and similarly copy this, print B. Compile it and run the program. I'm going to delete this. Okay, run this program. So enter two numbers, that is I'm giving 2 and 3. So it is swapping. 3 becomes, it will go to the first, and first value will go to the second variable. Okay. So if you want to make this more clear, you can edit this. So you can type enter the value of A, so that you can store it in A, and here you can give enter the value of B, so that it will be more easy to understand. Enter the value of A value is 2, enter the value of B is 3. So I'm swapping value of A is 3 and value of B is 2. Okay. And second program is write a program to input 2 digits of a number and display the result when the sum of numbers and its reversed number is divided by the difference between its digits. So in this statement there are some functions we have to do. So first we can input 2 digits of a number. That means for example, if I am considering this number, this is the tens place, right? And this is the ones place. So 2 digits of number will be my 2 values or 2 variables. So first I am going to input 2 digits of a number. See the code. System.out.println enter tens digit. So I will store it in A, and second one I am going to enter units digit, that also I am storing it in B, and now I am going to find the result. How? First you have to represent a 2-digit number. For example, I am taking 45. How will you expand this? 10 into 4 plus 5. So when you take 32, 10 into 3 plus 2. So this number 10 is same for both the cases. So this number and this number is different. So I am taking 4 as A and 5 as B. Here also 3 as A and 2 as B, right? So the general form of a 2-digit number is 10 into 10 A plus B. So if I reverse the number, A value and B value will be swapped. So I'm doing 10 into B plus A. So my original number is this one and its reversed number is this format. Okay, so now I'm going to find the sum of the original number and the reversed number. That means this and this should be added. So that is my fourth step. So I'm doing it here in the logic part. 10 into A plus B. So this I'm going to put inside the bracket plus, what is the reversed format? 10 into B plus A. 10 into B plus A. Okay, and I'm going to divide with the difference between its digit. The next step I have to find the difference between digits. What are the digits here? A and B. So I'm going to give A minus B. And everything I'm putting inside a common bracket here. Sorry, not here, here. Okay. So this is one part, that means original number. This is the second part, its reversed form. And I'm calculating this first and dividing it with the difference between the digits. And I'm storing it in result variable, and finally I'm printing that variable. So I forgot to put semicolon here. No syntax errors. Run the program. So I'm going to enter, for example, I'm taking 45, tens digit is 4, unit digit I'm going to give 5. So the result is minus 99. So minus 99 is based on this step. Okay, so read the question carefully. If you are reading this part, separate the steps and separate all those operations, and finally you can combine both. Or else you can do it in another way. You can do this program part by part. First, you can calculate this thing and you can store it in another variable. And this also you can store it in another variable. So, for example, I'm taking this, I'm storing it in X variable. So, this one I'm storing it in Y variable. So, here I can give X plus Y, so that a big or a complex problem you can divide into small parts and do, so that it will be more easier. And if you can do it in this way, it is better, so we can reduce the steps, and we don't want to give more variables, so that we can minimize the storage space also. Okay.